This morning, 100 million Americans are waking up to a massive winter wallop.
New York City is well underway to seeing their biggest snowstorm in 5 years.
Stay off the streets and sidewalks. Stay inside. If there's any way you can avoid traveling today.
So there's a storm coming in New York City, and we are all supposed to stay in. So we obviously came out for a walk. Snow's literally coming onto our face. It's going in my eyes. Why are you walking backward?
I don't want it on my face.
So today is a very special day. It's John's birthday. So if you're watching this, and it was Beer's birthday
1 week ago.
1 week ago, yeah. So if you're watching this, go leave a comment. Happy birthday, John and Beer. Are we at Central Park? Oh.
An angel?
Oh yeah, I want to go an angel.
But there's this special place we're going.
Okay. Drop your glove, John.
I know, my mask is not cooperating with me. Hold on, DS.
We're having so much fun. I'm doing things that I've always wanted to do. This has to be one of the most beautiful sights I've ever seen. And I'm missing you guys a lot. Dimple, Arjun, Jugal, Vaishnavi, Zara, Sig, Disha. We're having great having you guys being here. But for now, I have John and Bia with me. Are you planning us? I thought you were going for me.
I know.
Yeah, John, what the hell, dude? You should punk him, it's his birthday. Oh, that's a big one.
Doesn't work.
We are coming to Bia's favorite part of Central Park.
So we have a photo here we took on the fall, and I want the same picture, same angle with the snow.
Let's do it. Oh, okay, cool.
Like a comparison.
All of us are struggling to walk in the snow. That guy has it figured out. He's skiing. Amazing. We just discovered America's oldest wine shop. We're gonna go in now. Oh, wine shop.